How to fix Uber app not working. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So first of all, launch App Store or Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. In my case, I'm opening App Store. Now go to the search and search for Uber. Now tap on Uber app right here. Now make sure that you don't see the option of update. Now over here you have to make sure that your application is updated to its latest version. Now another step what you can follow to fix your issue is that scroll down to your control panel and make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is strong. If not, you can turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it on again after some time. Now another step what you can follow is just open settings, go to general, tap on iPhone storage here. Okay, now scroll down and search for Uber right here. Okay, now tap on offload app. Offload your app. Wait for a while. Now wait for some time until you reinstall the application. So, by following these steps, you will definitely be able to fix your issue. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.